Why is science, technology, engineering, and math education important? Science plays the fundamental role in our daily life activities. We can go to work, we can go to many places. By SkyTrain and subways that use magnetic to move the cargo along the rail at a high speed. As for technology, through the study of science, new things are discovered, modern technology is invented and has become that help us to build the spacecraft which take us to outer space. Engineering. When we talk about engineering, we think of robotics because robots are able to operate the works that are beyond human limits, and they help us to avoid the dangers of losing human resources. Robots can work longer hours than human beings too. Math is essential for the calculations. We can calculate the gravity, the orbits, and the distance between the Earth and the Moon and other stars correctly.